Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. There we go, baby. Live action.
Michael's first turtle.
Big sinker.
7 hours. Let's go.
Big sinker.
Time to be awkward. What's up, folks? Tyler here again. Got somebody you've never seen before on my channel. I kidnapped him from work where I started working. Not gonna be there much longer, but anyway, I want you guys to meet Ian.
Hello, everybody.
So he's brought me out to these special creeks. This is like hour and 20 or 40 minutes away from where I live, so it's gonna be a heck of an adventure. I'll say he's probably gonna catch more fish because he's more familiar with this place.
Don't be putting me on the spot like that.
I'm going to.
Don't do that.
What all have you caught out here?
I've caught rainbow trout out of here. I've caught some brown trout out of here. I've caught some very small crappie. I've caught some very large smallies out of here. Good smallmouth bass. And I think I've caught about a dozen or so spots. So we've got
this
a good
is this spot right here, or all the creeks?
We're not even talking about pan fishing. This spot right here and down and around. Panfish, we've got shell crackers, red breasts, we've got warmouths. I think that's how you say it. Might be a worm mouth. I'm pretty sure it's warmouth.
Warmouth, yeah.
Yeah. I've caught green-eared sunfish out of here. I mean, this section of creeks that we're gonna walk through today
a lot of fish
are absolutely loaded.
Okay.
But we are going to get wet. It's gonna get cold, but we're gonna get wet.
Well, you're not getting her now, are you?
No.
Okay, I was saying, oh my goodness.
Now. I've got my
Big
handy cell phone protector. Paired up.
I saw somebody catch a like a 30-pound carp on it.
I believe it.
I wish I caught it on.
Chasing. It doesn't look interested though. Yeah, it didn't seem to be interested in it. Not over the tree.
You've been fishing for many years, huh?
Squirrel fishing, buddy.
Hey, just do the what do you call it? Tree jig.
Yeah.
The dab it method. A little chilly,
I told you, little Jimmy.
Should have left my jacket on, but we'll be all right.
You'll be all right for now. Give it 30 minutes or so.
Now getting in the water, definitely probably gonna need something.
Oh, buddy, yeah.
The water's a little muddy.
Yeah, it's usually quite a bit clearer than this, but I believe we had some rainfall day before yesterday.
Oh!
Yes.
I just missed him.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it again. That was
There's 3 or 4 of them that just ran straight at that thing.
Oh, my hooks I'll tangle up. See, they still hit it anyway.
No, don't do that. If he does hit it, it may cut your line. Well, I'd hate to see that. I'm sure some of your viewers might like it.
I'll get mad and he'll jump in. I already got my drilling pumping now.
We got a couple more small trout breaking down there. Hey, we got a puppy dog coming to visit too.
Where at though?
Just up ahead, around the road edge.
Oh.
You see him?
Yep.
Those are my favorite kind of visitors. They're usually quite compliant.
Oh.
Did you get him? Yes.
No, he hit it, but it didn't hook him.
So you got my attention now, buddy.
No. Don't take my fish.
I won't take your fish. I'm gonna let you go with what you're doing. I'm just gonna throw me on that crawfish that I was telling you about.
I mean, at least I catch one. I don't really care.
I think you're getting reaction bites more than anything. So I'm gonna try to throw me a similar imitation.
I think I might hurt him.
No, they're still active, buddy. I'm telling you. Oh, puppy dog just said, "Hey guys, I can scare the fish for you." He just swam them all right down to us, didn't he?
Yeah, buddy. Oh, I missed one.
Yep.
Did you see it?
Yep.
Oh.
Another one.
Try to give them pause so they can take it, but
Don't give them that pause. These are active fish.
I know trout, they love cold water, so.
They, I got a hook in my finger already. Caught the biggest one of the day.
I don't know about that. I caught that car.
You didn't catch that car.
I did.
Snagged the car. There's a nipple. Just like that fish down
No, I snagged it. Well,
Right,
bright colors.
Swing at it.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, he swung up. I seen the side like his gill plate.
I need to be in a better angle. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Yeah, baby. Oh no, baby. Easy release. Easy release.
Bring it up this way. Yeah, we'll soft plastic out real quick.
Check this battery life.
Oh, giggity.
Sometimes I can get creative, make a Ned rig. 29%.
Already?
Yeah. It's recording at almost 4K. It's like 1080.
See, like these guys, those guys.
Oh, that's the one I was looking for. I had in here.
Yeah. And then I got some just pink. I got some just pinks. These guys work pretty good. These guys have worked the best.
Could I try one of those?
Yeah, get after it, buddy. I was gonna say, we've got some more down in here. Good old fashioned Bobby Garland.
This should have some scent to it too.
Yeah. I think this is the other one that I had. Yeah. These guys glow in the darkness though.
Well, they don't like green.
You want a snack?
Oh, you're being serious? No, thank you. I'm good. Appreciate it. I thought that was actually something with fishing.
Want a snack?
No. Too busy fishing. You know, I'm going to guess I toss this out there, see if I get a hit.
Get it, bro.
I'll tell you. It looks like a minnow, so if they don't hit it, they're not after minnows apparently. There we go. No.
Oh.
See you, bub.
I was gonna say, you can kiss them on the cheek, man.
This is why I get most action on doing this.
Mm-hmm. The twitches.
We out.
All right. Bluey, bro.
Dang it, Bobby. You see fish?
Yeah, all your minnows right here.
Man, what does that say? Trout regulations.
Yeah, trout regulations. There's also striper regulations around here.
You got striper in here?
Yeah. Got him. I got him, boy. That's a decent one, too.
Ooh.
That's a decent one. Come here. Come here. Ooh, he's fighting hard. Come on, big girl. Come here.
Oh, bet. Right on the camera.
Bring it right on over here to you. Ooh, boy. Come on. Come on now.
Oh no!
I couldn't get any movement out of it. Man,
Hey, the camera saw it. The camera saw it.
At least the camera.
You know what? I take back what I said.
What?
I said you're lying.
Yeah. Like I said, man, there's some decent sized fish in here. Ready? I'm gonna say that's the jig head I'm using right there.
I don't even see it.
Trying to get it.
Yep.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Because that second one came out and got me a little excited.
I feel you.
But I don't know if I'll catch him or
I'm
not.
not moving far down. He'll see me.
Come on now. That was actually a fish. Oh, he took the crawly off. There we go. Hey. Bet, baby, bet.
Got him, boy. I told you, they're in here.
Hey, yo! Yeah, yeah. What'd you catch him on? Ah. Hey, yo! A little small one. See you, buddy. He just ain't gonna do it, is he? What you got?
Got a turd.
Turd?
Yeah.
Ned rig?
Yeah, it's a TRD. I just call them turds. Got him, boy.
Get him! Heck yeah.
I knew that turd would get him.
I don't know how you do it, but I can't catch them with turds. Biggest fish of the day. I wish I caught that trout.
Woo, look at that thing, boy. It's definitely bigger than the last one. Alright, good chase. Back in the water.
Catches him again.
Oh, I didn't kiss him.
Oh,
You forgot to remind me.
a true fisherman there.
Going right back too, though.
Is he?
It went right back under the rock, dude.
I ain't gonna be able to get him about this. Is there? Well, give me a Ned rig. Give me a Ned rig. I'm recording. Uh-huh. You got one? No freaking way. Ned rig.
Told you there was a little fella down there biting on you. He's a little short.
A little small.
Did you catch him?
You have outfished me. Huh. Stupid. I'll put that on there.
I hate that guy.
I hate that guy. That's all, folks. Ugh.
Kentucky home.